Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 3 is data handling, exercise 3.3, question number 4. The performance of a student in first term and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. Given as a table: subject English, Hindi, Math, Science, Social Science. First term marks out of 100 is 67, 72, 88, 81, 73, and second term marks are 70, 65, 95, 85, 75. First question: in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? Child improved his performance. Here is +3. Here is -7. Downfall in marks. In maths there are +7. In science, improvement by 4 marks. In social science, improvement by 2 marks. In which subject the child improved his performance the most? The most performance in 7 marks in maths. In maths, child improved his performance the most. In maths, child improved his performance the most. In which subject is the improvement the least? In which subject improvement is least? 3, 4, 2. Then 2 is the least. In social science, child improved his performance the least. Now next is, has the performance gone down in any subject? Has the performance gone down? Here is -7, so performance goes down. Yes, performance gone down in Hindi. Let's see the table again. Subject is English. In English, first term and second term marks are 67 and 70. The performance will increase by 3 numbers. In Hindi, first term 72, second term 65. The performance goes down by 7 marks. In maths, first term 88, second term 95. The performance improved by 7 marks. In science, first term 81, second term 85. The performance improved by 4 marks. In social science, first term 73, second term 75. The performance will improved by 2 marks. First question: in which subject the child improved his performance the most? Which is highest improvement in maths? So in maths, child improved his performance the most. Second is, in which subject is the improvement the least? The least improvement. 3, 4, 2 is the least. So in social science, child improves his performance the least. Third one, has the performance goes down in any subject? Yes, there is -7, so performance goes down. Yes, the performance goes down in Hindi. Now let's take at our original question. Draw a double bar graph. Draw a double bar graph. In previous question we draw a bar graph, but there are bar is single, but here is double. First bar for first term and second bar for second term. We will draw the bar graph. Now I am drawing a graph. I am drawing a graph for your copy, not for graph paper. In our school class we will draw this graph in our graph paper. Here I am draw a bar graph for your copy. For copy there is a graph. This is origin is 0, but here I am taking lowest and highest value. Lowest value in this graph is 65, so I will start from 60. I will start from 60. The lowest value is 65, so the least value from 65 is 60. So I draw a graph from 60. In graph paper I will draw from 0. So 60. Then highest marks is 95. So maximum marks is 100. 100 minus 60 is equal to 40. When we use 5 marks per line, 5 marks per line, we need only 8 lines. So in 8 lines we can draw this graph. I draw here 8 line. In your copy the 8 line are already drawn. This is 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Sixty-five, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95 and 100. Then subject. There are 5 subjects: English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social Science. We use double bar graph. So for double bar graph, single bar is here, so we use 1 2 3 3 lines. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. I will draw a double bar graph. First term 67. In English first term 67. Here is 65, 70. So this is over 67. In second term this is 70. In second term, this is 70. There are the double bar, but what is the difference between these bar? No any difference. So we will create a difference between them. Here, first term is blank bar, second term is line bar, and scale 1 centimeter is equal to 5 marks. We will take a difference of 5 marks in each line. So first term will denote by the blank bar and second term will denote by line bar. Now in Hindi, first term 72. In Hindi, this is 70 and this is our 72. This is our first term. In second term, this is 65. In second term, this is 65. Second term denoted by lines. So these are the lines. In maths, in first term 88, 85. Now this is our 88. Maths first term is 88 marks, second term is 95 marks. These are the 95 marks. Second term will denote by lines. Now in science, first term 81. This is over 80, and above this is 81. In second term 85, second term 85. Second term will denote by lines. Social science, in first term 73. Social science, this is over 70. Now 73. This is 73. Now 75. Second term will be denoted by lines. This is our double bar graph. So let's take look at this table. In this table, the minimum marks are 65. Below it we take 60. We will count the number from 60, not from 0. Now the least value is 60, highest value is 95, maximum marks is 100. So maximum marks 100 will be denoted in this graph. Minimum value is 60, the difference is 40. If we take 5 marks per line, we used 8 lines. 8 lines can easily drawn in your copy. So we will use a graph of 8 lines. We draw here 8 lines: 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95 and 100. The lines are already drawn in your copy. Now there are the 5 subjects: English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Social Science. For double bar graph, we use equal distance lines here by 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There are the 3 lines. Each lines you can take as a 1 centimeter, and between them we use 1 centimeter gap. Now in English, first term is 67. first term 65 and 67. In second term 70. In second term 70. Second term will be denoted by the lines. These are the lines. First term is blank bar, second term is line bar. In Hindi 72 and 65. Hindi first of all 72 then 65. In maths 88 and 95. In maths there are the 85, here is 88. 88 then 95, then 95. In science 81 and 85. Here is 80, so 81 and 85. 73 and 75. Here is 73 and 75. This is our double bar graph. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 5. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. A survey is done in a colony on sports for watching and participating. Their favorite sports: cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics. Cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics. Watching. The number of people who will watch the cricket is 1240, 470, 510, 430, 250, and participating cricket is 620. Participating basketball is 320. Participating swimming is 320. Participating hockey is 250. Participating athletics is 105. First question. Draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. Here, for choosing appropriate scale is find the minimum value from this graph. Minimum value from this graph is 105. The minimum value in this graph is 105. So we will take 100. Least value is 100. Now highest value in this table. The highest value in this table is 1240. Use upper value of this 1300. So 100 to 1300. We will draw 0 to 1300. If one line equal to 100%. So we use 13 line for 300%. One line is equal to 100% is our scale. For drawing a bar graph, we 100 to 1300, 1300. We will use graph 0 to 1300. One line is equal to 1% is our scale. So 1 centimeter is equal to 100%. This is our scale. Now I am drawing a graph with 13 lines. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are the 13 lines. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 2100, sorry 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300. Now I will draw the lines. These are the 13 lines which are already drawn in your copy. I will draw in this graph. Now these are the number of persons, and I am taking favorite sports. Cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey, and athletics. Scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 100%. 1 centimeter is equal to 100% person is over scale. Now draw a double bar graph. For double bar graph, watching is denoted by blank bar and participating denoted by line graph. Watching is denoted by blank bar and participating denoted by line bar. Now for denoting bar, we draw 3 lines equally distant from each other. For each sports, I draw 3 lines. First is cricket. Cricket, watching 1 to 1200. Here is the 1200. 1240. Assume that this is the half and below half is 40. So this is bar for watching. Now cricket participating is 620. Here is over 600. Now for 20, I assume that here is 20. This is participating or second bar, so I will draw the lines in this second bar. These are the lines in second bar. Now next is basketball. Watching basketball are 470. Basketball this is our 400, half of here is 450, above from here 470, here is 470. Now participating is 320. For second bar 300 is here and this is over 320. Now in swimming we will draw the lines in our second bar. Now in swimming watching is 510, 510. 500 is here, this is 500 and this is our 10, this is 510. Now participating is 320, here is 320. Second bar will be denoted by the lines. Now in hockey watching is 430, this is 400, now this is 30. Hockey in second bar participating are 250, here is 200 and now 250, the middle of this is our 250. We will draw the lines. Now next is athletics watching are 250. Middle of 200 and 300 is 250. Now participating athletics is 105, this is over 100 and just above here this is over 105. We will draw the lines in this. Now let's take beginning from this. Consider the data collected from a survey of a colony. Favorite sports: cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics. Watching cricket 1240, watching basketball 470, watching swimming 510, watching hockey 430, watching athletics 250 persons. Now participating cricket 620, participating basketball 320, participating swimming 320, participating hockey 250, participating athletics 105. Now first question, draw the double bar graph choosing the appropriate scale. For choosing a scale we will find the minimum and maximum value from this graph. Minimum value is 105, the lower value of here is 100. The maximum value in this table is 1240, so we will choose 1300, 1030. So 100 to 1300 is our number in graph. So these are the large number, 100 is the small number, so we will use 0 to 1300. So in this graph we will saw 0 to 1300 persons. Now choosing a scale, if we use 100% per line, we will use 13 lines for drawing the graph. So we use scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 100%. One line is equal to 100%. We will draw here 13 lines in your copy. The lines are already drawn. Now watching cricket 1240. Watching cricket, here is 1200 and above here 1240. This is, and participating cricket is 620. Here is 600. We will take 620. The double bar. This is our double bar. So first bar will taken blank bar and second bar will be taken as lining bar. So watching is blank bar, participating is line bar. Now watching basketball 470. Here is 400, 450, 470. Participating basketball 320, 320. Watching swimming 510. Participating swimming 320, 320. Watching hockey 430, 430. Participating hockey is 250, 200. 250 is the middle of 200 and 300. So here is 250. Watching athletics 250. Watching athletics 250. Participating athletics 105, 100 and here is 105. This is our double bar graph. Now the questions. What do you infer from this bar graph? What do you understanding by this bar graph? This bar graph denotes watching and participating number of person in her favorite sports. What are you understanding from this bar graph? This bar graph showing as the number of person who watching and participating his favorite sports. Now second is, which sports is most popular? The building of this bar graph is highest of cricket. So cricket is the most popular. Cricket is the most popular sports. Now third one, which is more preferred, watching or participating? By this table, the number of person is highest in watching or participating. The watching persons are more than participating. So answer is watching is more preferred. Watching is more preferred. So they taking beginning from this questions. What do you infer from the bar graph? What you understanding by this bar graph? This bar graph shows as the number of person who watching and who participating his favorite sports. Now second one, which sports is most popular? The building of in this bar graph is highest of cricket. So cricket is the most popular sports. Now third one, which is more preferred, watching or participating? Who is more preferred? In this cricket, watching is higher, basketball watching is higher, swimming watching is higher, hockey watching is higher, athletics watching is higher. So watching is more preferred. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next exercise in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.